The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 Honda Odyssey with a trailer hitch. So we've just installed this Class 3 2-inch receiver. This actually has a 3,500 gross trailer weight carrying capacity and a 525-pound tongue weight capacity. So in this case, we will be adding a cargo basket to it to carry coolers and camping gear and other miscellaneous things. So a great alternative to putting something on the roof. It puts it lower, a little bit more manageable. This installation was relatively straightforward. This panel down here did have to be removed and ultimately trimmed to be reinstalled. There's also a tiny little panel on the passenger side, a little exhaust shield that needed to be removed as well. Under that, you will have to fish wire some bolts into place. The instruction manual will go over full detail in that. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the far side here in a second so you can see kind of how the bolts will ultimately look. The passenger side again has a smaller cover, much smaller than the driver's side. It's hard to get a good view of the actual part. You can see the part number there, and there you go. So there is a couple threaded bolts and one that has to be fish wired. Same on the other side. So one fish wired bolt, that's the one on the far right, and the one in the middle and the one on the far left of your screen, that will be threaded into factory connection points. So again, it's a relatively straightforward installation. You will need some torque wrench, ratchet, sockets, extensions, screwdrivers, safety glasses. All that's detailed in the instructions. But here you can see it's a pretty clean final install. It sits relatively flush with the rear bumper, so it should be great for all sorts of cargo baskets, bike mounts, and pretty much anything hitch related. This should be a great option for you. So definitely worth considering. And again, pretty straightforward installation, one that we would have no trouble in doing again. So this is just kind of a quick look at the CURT Class 3 2-inch receiver for Honda Odyssey. For a complete year range, click on the link in the description below, and that'll tell you the full range that this fits. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Happy to help give you a quote on this hitch. And yeah, that's about it. So visit therackshop.com for more details, pricing, and availability. And like always, thanks for watching.